If you want to prove the quadratic formula, okay, the formula always sometimes called almighty formula. So to prove this quickly, we know that the general form of any quadratic equation or a quadratic equation of this form px plus c equals to what? 0, where your a, b, and c are constant, such that a is not equal to 0. So you are going to prove this using completing the square method. So you have not watched my video on completing the square. Please do that because that will help you to understand what I'm going to do here. So since the equation of x squared here is not 1, so you are going to divide through by the equation of what? X squared, which is what? A. So you have a x squared divided by a plus b x divided by a plus c divided by a equals to 0 without what? A. Because you want to make the equation of x to be 1. So this a cancels this a. You have x squared plus b over a x plus c over a equals to what? 0. 0 divided by a is 0. So the next step is to move the constant to the other side. So this is the constant, move this to the other side. You have x squared plus b over what? A x plus c over. Okay, move this one to the other side. That would be 0 minus c over what? A. What's 0 minus c over a? Um that is minus c over what? A. The next step is add half the square of equation of x to both sides. The equation of x is what? B over a. So add half the square of the equation of x to both sides. That's the next step in completing the square. So we have x squared plus b over ax plus a half. The equation of x is what? B over what? A square. The same thing to the other side. And ca plus a half coefficient of x to what? Other side. Okay, so 1 times b, we are going to simplify that. 1 times b, that's b. 2 times a, that's 2a, all squared equals to minus c over a plus 1 times b, 2 times a, 2a squared. Okay, from power of indices, we distribute this power to each of the quantity in this bracket. So this will become x squared plus b over ax plus b squared. That's b is part as b squared 2a squared. See it 2a all squared. We distribute this power to that would be 2 squared times what? A squared. 2 squared, that's 4. So here it becomes 4a squared. The same thing to what? Other side. So it will be b squared by what? 4a squared. So the next thing, if you look at your left hand side, this is a perfect square. So this is factorized as x, since plus is here, plus b over 2a, b over what? 2a squared. If you expand this, you get this equals to the LCM of a and 4a squared. That's 4a squared. That's the LCM. 4a squared divided by a. You can see a, you can see a. You are left with 4a. 4a times minus c. That's minus 4ac plus 4a squared divided by 4a squared. That's 1. 1 times b squared. That's what? B squared. Okay, so the next thing you have to do is x plus b over 2a squared is equal to, you can write this as b squared minus 4ac over what? 4a squared. Okay, the next thing is to take the square root of both sides to eliminate this square. So we take the square root of what? Both sides because b over what? 2a squared. And remember, if you take square root, the square of a number is always 2. Okay, that's why we are saying plus or minus. So the square of 4 is plus or minus 2 because plus 2 times plus 2 is 4, minus 2 times minus 2 is what? 4. So the square of any number is always 2. So you see, this cancels this. You are left with x plus b over 2a equals to This is same as distributing this square root to, this square root cover both the numerator and denominator. So it's the same thing as distributing this square root to both numerator and what denominator. So we have square root of b square minus 4ac over square root of what 4a square. Okay. The next thing, move this plus b over 2 to the other side. We change minus. I have minus b over what 2a plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over square root of 4 is 2. Square root of a square is what? A. So the next thing is our x equals to this one of 2a and 2a as 2a. 2 divided by 2a as 1. 1 times minus b as minus b plus or minus 2 divided by 2a as 1. 1 times everything else what? B square minus 4ac. So this formula is what we call the quadratic formula, and sometimes it is called Almighty formula because it can be used to solve any quadratic equation. See you in my next video. Do well to subscribe, like, and comment.